Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email on Typeform. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add an email opt-in to one of your forms on Typeform. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into your form, and then what we're going to do is that we're actually going to rename this form. So let me actually rename this. And we'll rename this into YouTube opt-in form. And then once you click in this form, the way to add an email is at this left-hand side, you're going to see this button called Add Content, and you can click on Email under Contact Info. So you'll see that the second option or the second slide on your form now is the email. So the first one is basically a random question, and now the second one is your email. So people can now type in their emails here so that you can get that response. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an email to your form on Typeform. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.